Scene 1, Apple, take 2.
Let's unbox the Ryobi 2-cycle backpack blower. First thing we want to do is grab our clamp, and then we're going to grab the flexi big tube over here to the right. Now there's actually two clamps. There was one loose in the box, and then the other one was already on the tip of this flex tubing. But you will need a one of the hex drivers, or because mine didn't include one. So what I did was I just went and got my little tool that has all the things here. But you're gonna need like that type of driver to put on there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this and we're gonna clamp it down on the blower. Next, we're going to hook our throttle tubing up to the other end of the flex tubing with our remaining clamp. Also, another note, you might want to try to line them up here. Because there's like there and here, you want to line it up so you can put your cable in those little clips. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and clamp the cable down in those clips. And finally, we're going to open up the remaining two tubes, snap them together, and we should be done. Okay, before we start her up, I'd like to say a special hello to my friend Walt. He actually was instrumental in me making the final decision on purchasing one of these, because he also has one, although his is brand new because I don't have Walt's money. But anyway, that's beside the point. But he let me play with his, and I was really impressed with the performance of it and just how easy it was to start. Now you will notice that right on the side it does have step-by-step starting instructions. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through here step by step. First, we want to set the throttle lever all the way to the up position. That would be this thing here. We're going to set that all the way up. Next, we're supposed to prime it 10 times. So we look at the top here, and we're going to prime it 10 times. I think I know how to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're supposed to set to A. Alright. And ours is set to B, which is run. So we're going to set it to A. Next, we're supposed to pull until engine attempts to start, a maximum of 5 times. And finally, we're supposed to set to B, which is run. And then pull until engine starts, a maximum of 6 times. Wait 20 seconds and then operate. Okay, we're going to try that, and I probably won't be able to talk for a moment, so let's see what happens. Maximum of 6 times. Man, that thing pulled on the first one. So, there you have it. We're going to let this thing warm up for about 20 seconds and come right back. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing and setup of the Ryobi backpack leaf blower. Now, when I was cleaning up here, I did come across this thing that fell out of the box. It was actually on the bottom of the box when I was cleaning up, and this is the tool that's used to assemble it. So hey, you still might want to hang on to it. It's not that bad. At any rate, we aren't able to really blow any leaves today because we don't have any. But stick around, because as you can see, with all of these beautiful trees, we're going to be having some leaves very shortly here. So you guys stick around, and I guarantee you in a few weeks, when all of these leaves start falling, somehow in my yard, we're going to have to blow them. So we're going to do another video then. Okay? In the meantime, thanks for watching.
Mess? I don't know anything about a mess, dear. It must have been Sherman. I'm just taking care of business.